another video. So today, y'all, as y'all seen by that title, I'm gonna take y'all along this long process of me doing all of the girls' hair. As y'all can see, the girls' hair is all out, so they all will be getting protective styles. Something that they can just wear in their hair for a little, something that'll last for about 2 weeks. I don't know. Maya's getting something that'll last. Maya's hairstyle is gonna last. So I'm doing hers with weave. So hers is gonna last for probably about a month. We're hoping it's gonna last for about a month or two, hopefully. And Leah Hairstyles, her hair is a lot softer. Hers usually lasts for about 2 weeks, if that. Like 2 weeks, be kind of pushing it. And then Bria's hair, her hair usually holds up pretty good if I do braids. But I'm probably gonna do twists today, small twists. So we'll see how that holds up.
I'm gonna get beads.
Yeah, and you're gonna, well, not everybody gonna have. You want beads, Maya?
No.
Maya thinks she's too big for beads, y'all. So we're not going to do beads on Maya. We're going to do curls at the end of hers. This is my first time doing weave on Maya's hair. This is not her first time having weave. This is her, second time having weave? Yep, second time having weave. But this is my first time doing weave in her hair. So we're gonna see how that goes. Y'all asked to see the process and the behind the scenes of me doing the girls' hair. I get a lot of questions on how I keep their hair so thick and keep their hair, growing good. Since they've been born, y'all, they've had thick hair. I got thick hair. Their daddy got thick hair. So they ain't have no choice but to have thick hair.
Thick hair because
Because who?
Because of you. You use special products.
Yeah, I do use a lot of products. So I do use, I really don't use too many products on their hair. I will show y'all the conditioner and the shampoo that I use on their hair. Maya's scalp is a lot sensitive, so I'm still working on finding the perfect shampoo for her. So if y'all have any suggestions as far as like a good shampoo for sensitive scalp, let me know in the comments. But yeah, so I'm going to have all the products linked in this video and stuff like that. So all of them got their hair washed yesterday. Let's go ahead and get into the styling because it's going to be a long process, okay?
Yeah.
Y'all ready?
Yeah.
Let's get into it. So one thing that I do when I'm doing the beads is I put some of my grapeseed oil on the rubber bands that I put at the ends of their hair when I secure their beads to their hair. So that way the rubber bands don't put so much tension on their ends. All right, girl. Oh, yeah. Okay. What you think?
This is a 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10?
Yes.
Okay. Here is the finished result, y'all. Yes. 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 Why can't I get it out? What in the world? Ooh!
It feels so weird.
You don't like it?
No. It feels real bad.
I think I put too much.
I won't go out.
Hmm.
Everybody, Mommy put too much.
I put too much.
Now I have to run around inside the house so I can go down. Oh, it's popping everywhere.
So y'all, I didn't know how to finish it off. I just started braiding like once I got towards the bottom, and then I just put like a little knot. Next time I'm gonna add hair because as y'all can see, it starts to get kind of skinny at the end.
Yeah.
So next time I know to add hair, like maybe like up here, add hair like where her hair stops, just add some more hair. But I didn't want these real long on her. She's only 10, so I didn't want them too long. But y'all, this is my first time doing these in 13 years. I only ever really did them on my sister, so I feel like I did pretty good for my first time on Maya. Maya's hair stops like all the way down here, so I'm gonna just curl it. Maya, you may have to let Mommy do that.
I don't know how to do this. That won't much.
Yeah, your hair stops like right here somewhere. So I'm gonna stop it right there.
Oh, that's how you close them.
Yep, that's how we're gonna do that.
Yay, me! These are so pretty.
So I decided to do Leah's hair just like Bria. So this is what the finished results look like. So cute, y'all. This wasn't even the original style, but when she seen Bria, she was like, I want that, I want that. Can you see it?
Yes, that's so pretty.